Okay, so this is part 3 on how to solve the Rubik's Cube using the Petrus method. Again, this tutorial assumes you know how to solve a Rubik's Cube and basic notation, whether that be the RI to stand for R inverted, or if you're using R apostrophe to denote R prime, or an R2 to denote turning the right face twice. R is right, U is up, and so on and so forth, assuming you know that. So, the best way to solve the F2L, which is the next step in the Petrus method after you have solved your block and you've done your edge orientation, is to usually make a square in the back and then insert a pair here, or build a square here, insert a pair in the back, or solve a cross edge, solve a pair, or it's cross edge, pair, and pair. Those are the best ways to do it. So in this case here, I've got the edge. These edges are already in place, and the corners in the top layer. So what I can do is I can actually do keyhole by doing D to insert. And pair's already made, and you can insert it. So another way, so that's one way to do it, is if you have the edge solved, is you can insert the corner using a D move. The next way to do it, which is probably the most efficient way, is to solve a pair in, anywhere, or a square, either here in the front or here in the back. And it's more efficient if you do not do just the back first or just the front first, if you do whatever one's easiest. So here, I can already tell that doing the back is going to be efficient. And then from here, you do a C5 F2L pair, essentially. You pair it up and insert. And then, of course, there's one other option you can do, which I'm not good at because I don't practice it because I think it's an awful way to do it. But you can do it if it does arise occasionally. You can do it this way. You can build a line here of the edges, so you'd have this line here, or in a line here, and then you just attach them and insert, which isn't very efficient usually, but it can be done sometimes that way. Once you're done with this F2L, you're on to your last layer. The last layer is very straightforward and simple, and that'll be gone over the next part.